In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit property groups in HubSpot. Property groups are a great way to keep your data organized, especially as your HubSpot account grows and you start working with lots of custom properties. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find them, how to create new groups, and how to manage the properties inside those groups. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look at the very top navigation bar and find the gear icon. This icon opens your settings. Go ahead and click it. Inside the settings area, look to the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll until you find the section called Data Management, and under that, click on Properties. This is where all of your object properties are managed. At the top of the Properties page, you'll see a drop-down field where you can choose the object you're working with, such as contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Select the object for which you want to create or edit a property group. This matters because property groups are specific to each object. Once you've selected the object, look for the Groups tab at the top of the page and click on it. This switches the view from individual properties to the list of property groups for that object. To create a new property group, click the Create Group button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to name the new group. Choose a clear, descriptive name that reflects the type of properties you plan to store there. Then click Save. Your new group will now be added to the list of property groups for that object. Next, let's look at how to edit an existing property group. In the groups list, hover your mouse over the group you want to update. You'll see a couple of options appear. Click Edit to rename the group, then save your changes. You may also see a delete option. This is only available for groups that you or your team have created, not for default system groups. Use this carefully, because it can affect how your properties are organized. You'll also see an option called View Properties. Click this to see all the properties currently stored in that group. When you hover over any individual property, a More button will appear. Click it, and you'll see options such as tracking changes, cloning the property, moving it to a different group, exporting its history or definition, managing access, or archiving it. If you want to add a brand new property to this group, look to the top right and click Create Property. A panel will slide open on the right-hand side where you can configure your new property and assign it to the group you just created or selected. And that's it. You now know how to create, edit, and manage property groups in HubSpot to keep your data clean and well organized.